If you're a woman who is curious about keto, but worried about the impact it can have on your hormones, I'm about to spill all the juicy tips and tricks to help you avoid wrecking your hormones on your keto journey. Hi, I'm Lesya, a nutritionist for working moms, and this video is about a topic that I get a lot of questions about: keto for women, and how to avoid wreaking havoc on your hormones. I'm sure you've heard all the buzz about the ketogenic diet and its incredible benefits for weight loss and overall health. But as a woman, the thought of trying out this new way of eating may have left you feeling a little bit skeptical. Trust me, after following keto for 5 years straight, I've learned a lot about the pros and cons about this way of eating. You might be thinking, will this diet mess up my hormones? Or is it safe for me to try? In this video, I'm gonna share how to navigate your keto journey without causing any harm to your precious hormones. Whether you're already on the keto train or just considering it, this video is for you. If you've been living under a rock and don't know what the keto diet is, let me simplify it for you. The keto diet is a low-carb, high-fat eating plan that aims to shift your body into a state of ketosis. In ketosis, your body burns fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates, resulting in weight loss and improved energy levels. As women, our bodies are unique, and so are our nutritional needs. Research suggests that women may respond differently to the keto diet due to hormonal variations and metabolic differences. It's crucial for us to understand these distinctions and tailor our approach accordingly. Hormones play a vital role in our overall health and well-being. When it comes to keto for women, maintaining hormonal balance is key. Imbalances can lead to issues such as weight gain, mood swings, and disrupted sleep patterns. By optimizing our hormonal health, we can enhance our keto experience and achieve better results. Now that we've got a better understanding of what the keto diet is, let's talk about the common mistakes that I see women make that can wreck your hormones while on keto. Trust me, you don't want to make these. I'm embarrassed to admit that I've made most of these mistakes, but I want to share them with you so that you can avoid them. Mistake number 1, cutting calories too low. Drastically reducing calorie intake on the keto diet can negatively impact hormonal balance. It's like trying to fuel a car with too little gas. It won't run efficiently. Research suggests that severe calorie restriction can lead to hormonal disruptions, affecting metabolism and energy levels. Mistake number 2, excessive fasting. While intermittent fasting can be beneficial, excessive fasting can put stress on the body and disrupt hormone production. Imagine a pendulum swinging too far on one direction. It loses its balance. Studies indicate that prolonged fasting can negatively affect thyroid function and hormonal regulation. Mistake number 3, not taking breaks from strict keto. This is a big one, so pay attention. Staying in constant state of ketosis without periodic breaks can impact hormone levels. It's like having only one type of exercise without cross-training. It strains certain muscles while neglecting others. Research suggests that prolonged adherence to the keto diet may lead to imbalances in sex hormones such as testosterone and estrogen. Mistake number 4, mixing keto with too much stress. Chronic stress can wreak havoc on your hormones regardless of the diet followed. It's like a pressure cooker, constantly on high heat. It affects the entire system. Stress releases cortisol, a hormone that can interfere with metabolic processes and hinder weight loss on the keto diet. Mistake number 5, neglecting thyroid health. The keto diet may affect thyroid function, especially in women with existing thyroid conditions. It's like a thermostat that is malfunctioning. It disrupts the temperature regulation of the body. Studies suggest that long-term adherence to a low-carb diet can potentially decrease thyroid hormone levels and impact overall thyroid health. Mistake number 6, inadequate protein intake. Consuming inefficient protein on the keto diet can disrupt hormone production and muscle maintenance. I see this mistake often in the clients that I work with. Protein is queen, and the queen rules your metabolism. It's like building a house without enough bricks. It compromises the structural integrity. Research shows that low protein intake can lead to imbalances in growth hormone and insulin-like growth factor 1, affecting muscle growth and repair. If you want to do keto without destroying your hormones, please avoid the mistakes that I made when I started keto back in 2015. Keto is different for women, so be careful when you get generic advice from studies that were done on men only. We are not little men. Now, I have a secret to share with you. If you want to make sure you don't destroy your hormones on keto, then you need to know how to carb cycle. It's the secret weapon that helps you maintain your keto lifestyle without wrecking your hormones. Download my keto carb cycling cheat sheet in the description and unlock the secrets to effectively cycling carbs with keto. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.